guys, it's Melanie. For this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a week of my outfits for school. I did say high school because I'm a high school student, even though I'm in running start, whatever. It's complicated. So this week, I am showing you guys a week of kind of basic, casual, lazy outfits, I guess. But it's just the things I would actually wear to high school. Of course, sometimes I feel like dressing up and sometimes I feel like wearing sweats. Actually, I don't think I've worn sweats to school yet. Go me. I'm gonna be just doing quick like vlog style in the morning, showing you guys what I'm wearing for the day, and I'll just give you a brief overview and tell you where the pieces are from. Yeah, I just thought this would be a fun idea because I do a lot of outfit idea videos. Sometimes, you know, it's not super realistic because obviously I want to show you the cutest outfits, you know. Realistically, I don't always dress that good. So this video is gonna be a little more authentic, I guess. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this where I show you what I'm actually wearing in a week or a few days, or get ready with me or whatever, just make sure to let me know, and let me know what other outfit idea videos you guys want to see. And other than that, we'll just get started with the outfit. Hey guys, so we gotta fix this. I don't look cute. Hey guys, so it is Monday. Monday's kind of rough, looking a little crusty, so that's great. We love Monday so much. Really not sure what to do with my hair right now. Nothing is good. Maybe I'll try a bun. Not gonna lie guys, I really wanted to bum it in sweats today, but then I was like, no Melanie, you should film. So then on top of that, I was like, you should put in a little effort. Wow, it stayed up. Alright, so it's Monday. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit for today. I'm feeling very lazy, so I put in very minimal effort. You know, it's okay. I think as the week comes along, it will get better. Last week was super sunny, so I was really happy, and I was wearing my shorts and my sunglasses, and I was like, yeah. And then this week, it's freaking cold, rainy, and cloudy outside. Kind of sad. Here's my outfit. It looks pretty school-ish to me for some reason. Very, very plain, and my room's very messy right now. Here is the outfit for today. This little quarter zip is from PacSun. It's really annoying because it has a waistband, but the waistband literally does nothing for you. So I don't get what the point is. That's great. My bun's crooked. I didn't really accessorize much. Don't hate me. And leggings are just Lulu, comfy. Have a paint stain on them, but hopefully it'll wash off. If not, I'll be very, very depressed. But this is just a nice color block, really thin. So it's pretty good for this transition weather right now. And then I also have some high top Converse on. I didn't roll the ankles this time, which I usually do, but I don't know. I just feel like it looks funky and it makes my legs look weird and childish. I'm not sure. I just feel kind of like awkward. And then my scrunchie is burgundy to match this part because this thing is all color blocked and stuff. But yeah, that's outfit for Monday. Bye guys. Hi guys. It is Tuesday. Okay, so you know how I said I wasn't gonna wear like a hoodie and leggings again? Yeah, okay, well, whatever. I'll show you my outfit, okay? So basically, I wanted to dress kind of cute today, you know? And I like braided my hair last night and I was gonna have it all wavy. Look stylish, right? But then, if you look outside, which you can't really right now, very cloudy and it was raining very badly. So I didn't want to take my braids out because it would get frizzy. So I'm just going to keep it in these braids today because they actually don't look too bad. And then tomorrow my hair is going to be wavy. Hopefully tomorrow's not raining, but it probably will be knowing where I live. So didn't think that one through. But here's the outfit for today. I still think it looks pretty cute. It's kind of like not retro, I don't know, vintagey, I'm not sure. A lot of you guys like this hoodie or sweatshirt and asked me where it's from, and I got it from a Value Village. It's just a old Disneyland one. I don't know why. I just really like stuff when there's a flag on it and something about it. It looks very comfy, cozy, vintagey. I don't know. I like it. Pants are just these PacSun mom jeans that I wear literally all the time. That's all I wear. And then I'm just wearing some low top Converse. This also gives me kind of like old school vibes. Very comfy. I'm chilling today. Not really doing much. I'm just gonna go to school. And then I'm probably gonna go to Target for my weekly Target run that is very unnecessary. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna edit some videos, chill day. So hope y'all have a good Tuesday. Bye. Hi, just a little itty bitty update. I decided to put on these socks because they give a little pop of color. So adorable. That's it. Now I'm late for school. Bye. guys, it is Wednesday. Today I actually don't have any class because my professor canceled. Could have just stayed home and wore sweats all day, but for you guys I decided to get a little ready. I actually did my hair. I put these little clips in. Usually people put them like here, but since my hair is huge today, that just wouldn't work. I need to get some shoes. Feeling Converse. I've been wearing, did I wear Converse this whole week so far? I think I have. So today's plan is pretty much YouTube stuff. I think I'm gonna go out to get my friend a birthday gift and drop that off, and I'll go out to walk my dog, but that's pretty much it. I just need to edit and upload today, but you know what, there's no harm in looking a little put together. Plus it's actually sunny today, which it wasn't even supposed to be. It was supposed to rain this whole week, and it looks really nice out, so I'm in a good mood. So here is my outfit for today. I don't know if I posted this exact one on my fashion account before. I really like this outfit. It just reminds me of a very basic schoolgirl look. I guess that's what I'm kind of going for this week. Plus, I kind of dig my hair. It's kind of huge, but I also kind of like it. This top, it looks like the Brandy one, but it was from Garage. It's also way softer than the Brandy one. Dark wash mom jeans. For some reason, the dark wash ones feel like way better quality and fit me way better. The light wash ones look a little frumpy and grandpa-y. These ones feel really nice. Love these. They're from PacSun. My clip, I just got a huge pack from Amazon. And then my shoes are just high top white Converse. I don't know if Converse are still in style, but I still really like them. I think high tops look good with mom jeans because I cuff them. I don't know if cuffing is weird. My mom made me kind of insecure about that. My outfit for Wednesday. Hey guys, it is Thursday now, and I'm gonna be showing you my outfit for today. I actually really dig it. I came up with it kind of last minute, but it's comfy and it's kind of cute. So this is what the outfit looks like. It is pretty gloomy outside, so I want it to be comfy but still look kind of cute. Under this top, I'm wearing a tube top from Brandy Melville, but very cold. I am not going out in a tube top anytime soon. So I threw on this very comfy little cropped like hoodie thing. It's cropped, but it's a size medium, so it's kind of like normal size, I don't know, baggy. And then I just like half zipped it up so that you can see that I'm wearing a top underneath. I also have my hair just clipped back like this, and it's still wavy from yesterday. These jeans, they're super ripped. They're from PacSun, so comfy. Some Air Force Ones, and then of course this little necklace right here from the online shop Honey by Locke. That is the outfit for Thursday. I need to go take an exam today, come home and do homework, so that's pretty fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the last outfit. Hey guys, it is Friday and I am once again being comfy, but I like how this outfit looks. I'm also going no makeup today because my skin does not like me right now, and I'm also wearing a white hoodie. I've stained this every single time that I've worn it, so we're gonna have our fingers crossed that I don't stain it today because I need to stop being clumsy. Today, I'm just gonna go to school, and then I also have work. As I've said like 10 times, very simple, kind of like sporty-ish looking hoodie is Champion, but I actually got it on Amazon. These leggings are just crops. They're like seamless, and they're from Forever 21. They kind of have this stripe, and then they like fold over, or you could unfold it to make them high-waisted. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing these Adidas Ultra Boosts. They're very white and clean. They're also a size too big for me, so I look kind of dumb in them. I'm very, very bad at buying shoes because I don't know my size. That is my outfit for today. Very, very comfy. Alright guys, so that was the video, and those were my 5 outfits this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed and that these outfits, I don't know, give you inspiration or whatever. I don't really know. Thanks for watching guys, and if you want to see some more outfits, make sure to follow me on my fashion Instagram and let me know what other kind of outfit videos you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!